Welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So in today's video, we're not going to be doing anything teachable, but we're going to settle this curiosity that I have between two products. Which two products? I want to know if the Fenty Pro Filter Foundation Powder is the same thing as the MAC Foundation Powder. And these are the Pro Fix Powder. If you're wondering the very same thing, then stay tuned and keep watching this video. So if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below. On this channel, I talk about products review. I do some comparison video, everything makeup. Also, I do vlogs and I share my monthly favorites. So what are we talking about today? We are talking about the MAC Studio Fix, I had tongue tie, Studio Fix Foundation Powder. And the shade that I'm currently wearing is NW46. Yes, that's my current shade, NW46. And that's what the color look like. Make sure you guys, there you go, beautiful. And what we're doing is a comparison video. Yes, I want to know. So what are we comparing it to? The Fenty Pro Filter Powder Foundation. The shade that I'm wearing is the 445. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do one side of Fenty and the other side of MAC. And then what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna do some wear tests, and then we're gonna go hit the street and ask people, do you see a difference? If you're interested, then keep watching. Let's knock out the concealer part. And the concealer I'm using, of course, is the Fenty 385. And I'm going to go ahead and do my under eyes. So that's my concealer and I went ahead and set it. Now we're gonna go in with the powder. So we're gonna do Fenty on this side and MAC on this side. Let's begin. I'm a sponge girl. So I switch position. I'm actually applying the MAC on this side and the Fenty will be on the other side. Now I think a brush will give you a better coverage, but I just love sponge. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Yes, I love it. Now on to Fenty. I also did a complete video regarding this Fenty by itself. So if you really want to see the review on that powder by itself, then just check out my playlist. It's definitely there. That's the Fenty side and the MAC. Fenty and MAC. I already see the difference and know which one I prefer. Gonna have set around my nose area. You can see me creasing. So let bronze up and see what we're looking like. Let's finish up this face and then I'll come right back. Fenty and MAC. Let's finish up this face and I'll be right back. Yes, we are in the street, and guess what? I have some guests here. We're going to talk about face. Yes. I'm going to ask Amanda. You all remember Amanda from before. We're going to ask her to come over here and look at my face and tell me if she see any difference. Welcome, welcome, Amanda. Say hi to my wonderful people. Hi. Oh. All right. So.
Okay, so this side, I guess that's your left side. Mm-hmm. So with the left side, it has more coverage. Mm. The right side, I could see a lot of like your blemishes, like I could see it popping through more. Mm. But this side is more covered.
Did y'all hear that? So she's saying on this side, there is more coverage versus this side.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. I'm gonna invite one more person, some more people here. Come on in. Now look at my face, say hi, hi. All right. Now looking at my wonderful face here, so can you tell any difference from each side to each side?
On this side, I can see that you have a little bit burn on the side, and this side is a little bit not really blend like this side.
Okay, so on this side is more blend and looks more covered, and on this side you can still see my imperfection.
Yes, I can see.
Did y'all hear that? Yeah. There's imperfection on this side. Now y'all know what side powder I'm wearing on this side, right? Yeah. All right, thank you, sweetheart. Hi. My next guest, would you come over here? And guess what? We have a man that's gonna give me an opinion in a minute too. All right. Hi.
Hi guys.
And just talk up very loud so they can hear you.
Hi guys.
Yeah, all right. So looking at my face, any difference?
Okay, first of all, I promise I did not steal from Amanda.
Okay.
But like Amanda said, I feel like this side has more coverage than this side.
All right. So everyone so far has said this side has more coverage than this side. Oh, my wonderful Jamaican man, I'm going to tell you what this means. Come over here, long time. I had to bring a Jamaican in, and yes, it's a man.
Hi guys, how you doing?
Hi.
All right.
So now I need your opinion.
So far.
Look at my face. On this side, is there any difference on this side versus this side?
Well, on the right side is more lighter, and on the left side it's more shady.
So on this side a little darker, and over here is a little lighter?
Yes, indeed.
All right. That's a man opinion. This lighter and this darker. All right, so you guys already know I am wearing the MAC Pro Filter powder on this side, and I'm wearing Fenty powder on this side. Yes. So as you all know, Fenty powder is supposed to be very natural, not so much coverage, but MAC, you take this home. You guys been in the game for so long, and of course you guys continue to rule. I still love Fenty, but MAC, you are the winner on this comparison channel. Thank you guys. I'll see you back home to give you my final review. Love y'all. All right, pull up your chair and bring yourself together. Let's talk about this. So we did MAC and we did Fenty, right? So as you guys could see, the different opinions that people had on the Fenty versus the MAC. Some people said we had more coverage over here on the MAC, and we had lightweight coverage on the Fenty. Now, let me put a disclaimer in this. We're not saying the Fenty do not provide full coverage. If you have wonderful skin, beautiful skin, the Fenty will work perfectly well on your skin. I'm acne prone. As you can see, I have a lot of breakouts. You can see them, a lot of breakouts. I did my makeup this morning around 6 a.m. It's now 2:12 p.m. Eastern time. So I have this makeup on for a very long time. The makeup has shifted a little. If you're looking for a lot of coverage to cover acne prone scars, looking for pimples or to dye down your pimple, cover spots, then I would suggest using the MAC. That's just my opinion. If you have a beautiful skin, I would suggest you use the Fenty. But both products are really good. If you have super oily skin, we already know, oily skin girl, the best thing for us to use is powder foundation versus liquid, because you will stay matte longer than you would with the liquid. That's just the norm. So that's my opinion. That was the conclusion of my comparison on these two products. I love both products, but if you're in the market looking for a powder foundation, if you got good skin, Fenty will work really well, and you're able to build up Fenty also. As you see, I use a beauty blender instead of a brush, and I'm sure the brush will give you more coverage. But that's all that I have, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for going on the journey with me. It was so much fun. I love doing these videos. If you like these videos, make sure you leave a comment below and let me know what other video you guys would like for me to do a comparison on. That's it. Share these videos, like these videos, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and I'll see you all on my very next video. Bye, y'all.